This demonstration will calculate the emissions impact of a statewide energy efficiency program in Illinois, which is located in 2 AVERT regions. According to the table in Appendix G of the AVERT User Manual, 61.2% of Illinois' electricity generation is located in the Upper Midwest region, and 38.8% is located in the Great Lakes Mid-Atlantic region. To find the emissions impact of a statewide energy efficiency program with an expected 4,400 gigawatt-hours of impact, we will proportionately distribute the total energy efficiency impact between the Great Lakes Mid-Atlantic and Upper Midwest regions. Begin by choosing the first region you would like to analyze. Here, we'll start with the Great Lakes Mid-Atlantic region. For this demonstration, we will quickly load the regional data file, enter inputs, and run calculations. You can learn more about each of these steps in separate demonstrations. Enter the expected energy efficiency impacts of the program on the portion of Illinois that is within the Great Lakes Mid-Atlantic region. 38.8% of Illinois' electricity generation falls within this region, so we have calculated that the proportional expected impact of the energy efficiency program will be 1,707 gigawatt-hours. After you enter the expected impacts, run the displacement calculations. For this example, we will aggregate the impacts from the annual regional displacement data summary table. Be sure to paste the numbers as values only. If you don't, the numbers will update as you run additional displacements in AVERT. Save the AVERT Main Module with this displacement scenario under a unique name. Then conduct the same analysis for the Upper Midwest region. .2% of Illinois' generation falls within the Upper Midwest region, and we have calculated that the proportional expected impact of the energy efficiency program will be 2,693 gigawatt-hours. Now we will add the two sets of numbers to get an estimate of the total impact of the statewide energy efficiency program on electricity generation and emissions of sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and PM 2.5. For more information and additional examples, see Appendix G of the AVERT User Manual. This concludes the demonstration.